Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters. Anywhere on the day, yard, foreign, nearing, greetings. This is Miss Spots coming to you again. Give me back my sweet, sweet Jamaica. A little idea and solution talk. So, today we're gonna be on a topic where I know say a whole lot of people not gonna like it, but I just saw the thing. The topic today is the church and its role. Yeah, man, the church and its role. Me telling you from day one, say, not now left back. Me dey chat about everything. And we dey go talk the truth. We dey go highlight the truth. We dey go highlight everything around. And for those who don't like it, it does not matter. It's because them can't handle the truth. So, what me want everybody to do? I want to know listen up. I want to know share. I want to know subscribe. Discuss it with your friends and family. Yeah, man, that is what I want to know. Leave a comment. But no, kill it with negativity. Just let us be positive because, as I said before, I work the whole of the work. And that's why I call it my idea and solution talk, because I always give out a bit of idea and some little solution where you can try. So, with this topic, me know say a whole heap don't come after me. And a whole heap of one they go vex. But, as me say, don't care. Water off a duck back. So, what we talk about the church, the truth is, the church them not do nothing for nobody. Them just take up space. Them not do nothing for nobody. They not do nothing for the people in the community. Nothing. And the thing is, we grow up as Pitney where we always have to go to church. It was the norm. It's a must. You grow up and you have certain kind of clothes as a Pitney. You have your school uniform. You have your church clothes. And you have your clothes where you wear a yard. I just saw it when set. There was no other way. You couldn't tell your parents you're not going to church. You have to go to church because them already pick out your clothes where you have to wear go to church. Be it Saturday or Sunday, your clothes when pick out for go to church. So we just get up and we do that. So it's practically a ritual. A ritual that no generation no come up and ask no question about. We just they go and they do it, and don't know what for. We do it and we go for many years, and I guess we pick out what we want out of it, and that's why some of we nobody go back. After a certain stage of our life, we don't go back because we see there's no growth, and a lot of it is not true. Right? And as a people, we don't ask questions, we just take things. So we always have to follow them the rules because that is how we parents set it. But there's a new kind of church situation they go on now. And our new kind of way people they worship. And have absolutely nothing to do with God. Not one thing. You find some people that go to church just for show off. Just for show off. So what you do? When you go to church, you want to give church money. And you don't ask why they go for. Because here's the deal. The pastor they ask you all for money. For one thing, there's the example. You may go to a church where newly built. It have everything intact. The window, them, the door, everything. You build everything nice. You have all a bedroom in there for pastor relax. So you don't need nothing. So when you don't get up, they give no money to church and church brand new. Where the money they go? The pastor get up telling us say is for building repair. Why in the repair? Which building? The church? What did they? Why not no broke down? Not even a window no crack. And you not just take it so and they carry no money go to church go get pastor. You not have pitney for go to school. One need uniform. And them sitting there. And you not rather take no money carry go to church go get pastor. You not ever think about them they sitting there? You not carry the money go to church go get pastor. Why you not understand? The money now make you no go heaven. It now make you no go heaven at all. Get that in our ticket. You no have some of you why in a competition. You no listen to when the other church sister them talk and say, well, me when give $500 last month. And the other one say, really? Me give 1,000. So why you do? You say, boy, you do them so you they put $1,500. Knowing in fact, for your house, want fix up. Your house, they beg for lily paint. You want paint. You need one extra room to put on for your house. Because 5 people they sleep in a one room. And you don't think about that. No. Let me carry God church go get pastor. Then you have someone who are really dress up for God church for show off, you know. For show pastor how no look. And they have competition with no church sister. I want to have some pretty frock. I want to buy what expensive and some pretty boot. I want to have the hot cock half pan on no head. And I saw when I run the church. The church in the community, you know. And the pastor now offer nothing to the youths. Some who know church sister and brother who know all they sing pan choir. And guess what? A fool who no son a gunman. A fool no son a murderer. Thief. Everything that's bad. Wicked. And know the God he said church there with the pastor. And he never yet called no up one day and say, Sister Brown, Brother Brown, me really know about what they going on and me know say no son in some problem. Call him in, let us pray together as a family. No, you not do that. And some of you woman, you did about you in a spirit, they make up holy and nice and they shake up on body like you have fits. You know in a spirit and the Holy Ghost. Not a thing no go so. You know how? Because some man so damn wicked and because I know son so wicked maybe that they make you they shake. Because you know say them wicked and you know they go to church. A big position in a church. And all you know do take no money give the pastor and his wife. And then they laugh off at you. No, church is not supposed to be in a community where not help. It's not supposed to happen. It is not supposed to happen. Those days are long gone. At the church is just a building. A building. And not one time we no ever open no building say, boy, hurricane, they come, storm, they come and open it to the community. We no not do it. Who no care. You cannot have a church direct into a community where not offer the young people nothing. It's not supposed to happen. You cannot have a church where, let's say it's an Adventist church, only open up on Saturday. And we want to go to church Saturday, we tend to have a split shift where we go in the morning, 9 o'clock and maybe 12 o'clock, done at 12:30 and go back 2 o'clock again. And by 5 o'clock, done. And guess what? Lock up the church. Use again until the following Saturday. How I can go so? No go so. And maybe, maybe one day in the week, for a couple hours of prayer meeting or choir practice. That is maybe 2 hours. And when you use the whole of the church, you may just use one room on at the back. The Sunday church, them always big, massive things. Especially if I want upscale area, pay upscale people go there. And you dress like a puss. And you have one call first lady. That are the pastor wife. Dress like a puss. You go church open maybe 9 o'clock and by 2, 3 o'clock church lock. You lock up the building and gone. Same process, you may use it maybe one time in the week for a couple hours for prayer meeting or any little youth fellowship, or maybe you just have, maybe just the prayer practice, and that's it. I want to do lock up the church and go home. You are there to serve the community. That is what you need to know. You did if erect the church in the community and help the young people. Look what the young people they go through. Jamaica is the only country in the world that has the most churches per square mile. And look on the wickedness what they galan. Look at the wickedness. And the church is not doing anything. You can't continue like that. You have to step up. You have to step up. You have to step up, man. The pastor not help. The wife not help. But guess what happened? The church member they help you. Because they nyam them out. That's what you do. Nyam them out. And the people them just take it like that. You know say you went better off if you not turn on your yard with no family. Pray and talk to God. You no read no Bible. You get more outside than when you go to church. Because when you go to church, they cost you. Cost you what you no have. CISE is an organization run by thieves. That's what they are. It cannot go that way. The community no have no community center. The government now have no community center. And no have this building lock up. 52 Sundays in the year. When I leap year, I must say 53. And you telling me I just few hours out of the year the church use, and that is okay, and the people take it like this, or no have it in the community. Sometimes the pastor may come from the said community, maybe not. So all him do I just come in, come keep church whether Saturday or Sunday, and just drive away, and the people take it like that. No, fi do that. No. Sister Brown and Brother Brown need help. And you not do nothing. It is a sad situation. It is the building is there being sitting. It's a waste. You no need to open the church so the young people them can do things, the community things. Do art and craft, take them out of trouble, the people them take them out of trouble. You have a lot of rich retired people in the church, only a rich retired woman. Make them set up program and offer them service. We know so some of the pastors them have job otherwise, so as them why. But you must find time to offer it to the people in the community. And if you can't do that, you know to keep no church there. And the people them not allow no to keep no church. Because you not help in nowhere. No, listen, no shape, no form. You not help. And me sure say, I know that God will want. And God not happy about that. God not happy about that. If you not go help, you must leave. Because you not help the youths them. You not help no one at all. And you know, the truth is, me see it as a joke. A joker. All I know a joker. Big time joker. Because they act holier than thou. The pastor, we up at the pulpit, they preach like hell. His wife sit down up there. And guess what? He have been girl them sit down set place in a church. Some of them all have been pitney. Have been pitney them sit down right there. And you know the joke about it? Wife up there, they look down upon girlfriend. Girlfriend down there, they look up on wife. And all of them say, no heart. Me not left my husband because I love my lifestyle. And the girlfriend, they say, me not left him because I have pitney for him. Me don't know what they go tell God say. But all what me know, the church has no meaning right now. And it is not offering any help to nobody. Nobody at all. We not open no building for help the youth. No church shouldn't big erect pan land, big old church. And nothing happen there more than church service and maybe sometime one little funeral. And the young people in the community need help? No, sir. I want to get that from. And where that come from? God not happy with you no higher. God not happy with you no. And you can't tell me say God happy with you no. The amount of money the church have. What of money you have? Jamaica should not have so much crime. We shouldn't have so much crime. Because every 3 doors is a church. I don't know, so damn wicked. How is that possible? Make that make sense. Explain that to me. Every 3 doors are church. But you're not so wicked. It's so sad. Some of you pastor. You don't even know what they talk about in the Bible. You just say twist you up for no way. You just say twist you up for no way. And the poor people, them why they don't have an idea because they don't know much. Because basically they don't read them Bible. They only carry God church and spend a couple of hours. They have you and then go home and go put it back in one drawer. So no, they tell them all kind of nonsense. But you know a pastor and bishop. The truth of the matter is, you don't really not believe in what they do. You don't not believe in it. Because if you don't believe in it, you don't want to do the nastiness they do. You don't want to commit adultery. You wouldn't think of that. And some of you pastor what they talk about, give this and give that. As night come down, you take the little boy them for yourself. Rape them off. And you not done no preach against it. Tell me what kind of pastor you is. And people really get up going on the church. Now realize the sin they come down upon you. When you have a pastor in them, the nastiness, they and him for baptize you. The mere fact that female touch you to rotty judge, I hell you they go. You stay right to your yard and worship. Pray to God. Give him thanks. We don't need to stop this thing what we've been doing for years. The pay pastor for pray for you. That's what we're doing. Pay him for pray for you. Pay him for pray for you. Because there's no other way. We no hungry and no need food. But no. Make care the money go to church. Maybe my pastor will love me. If me dress up for me, will love me. And me in a competition. You go to church and you got the rule because what? You're hungry. I am telling these pastors, you have to help the community. As long as your church is in the community, we are asking that you do something. Help foster some youths. Help with the crime, because Jamaica they suffer and not one of these church has stepped up to offer any help. And the people them take it like this. So here is it. My idea and solution is, Pastor, you and your wife need to be of service to the people in the community. Not just drive come to church and have church. And because she a first lady, she sit down up her front and people they worship her. No, we no start work with the youths in the community. And if you can't offer that, you shouldn't be standing. So they have church. Simple as that. Help the community. Jamaica is crying out. The young people need help. Them need social skills. Church member, them who retire can't offer things, open up the damn building. Do cooking class, do things and help them. So, with all that being said, remember, Miss Pat's telling you, open up the church. Make the young people them can get something to do. Because it cannot lock up for every day of the year like that. When the community need a community center. So no figure that out. Me not going to continue much because we have more episode of that. So no go and walk good. Take care of each other. And Miss Pat will catch you on another talk. Miss Pat's out.